Welcome to Top 5 Best Picks. The best RC semi-truck is probably one of the most exciting remote-controlled vehicles you can get your hands on. These impressive 1/14th scale models offer an incredible level of detail, mimicking the look and feel of real semi-trucks. Whether you're a seasoned RC enthusiast or just starting out, the realistic driving experience and the ability to customize and upgrade these trucks make them a fantastic choice for hobbyists of all levels. Number 5. Tamiya 56344 RC Grand Hauler Kit. Get ready to command your own big rig. This RC model recreates a massive, customized truck, just like the ones you see in North America. It's an exciting way to experience the world of trucking. The model features a ladder frame chassis with aluminum side channels and resin crossmembers. It has a realistic suspension with metal leaf springs and friction dampers. This design ensures a smooth and authentic driving experience. A front-mounted motor and 3-speed transmission power the two rear-wheel axles. They are fitted with built-in differentials for smooth cornering. This setup provides both power and control. A 4-channel RC system and multifunction unit allow you to drive the vehicle. You can experience realistic lights, sounds, and vibrations. It brings the truck to life. With the separately sold multifunction control unit, MFC, you can enhance the experience. It offers light, sound, and vibration operation. It makes the RC truck experience even more immersive. What we like. This model offers incredibly realistic lights, sounds, and vibration, bringing your RC truck experience to life. It also features a 3-speed transmission and metal leaf spring suspension for smooth operation. If you are looking for a highly detailed and immersive RC truck experience, this is the one for you. What people say. A massive, well-built kit. The level of quality is very apparent that Tamiya is known for. All the parts are full of details. The completed kit is massive. Lots of detail. Looks good and even better with the light and sound kit installed. Will take time to put together. Number 4. Tamiya Grand Hauler RC Truck Kit, Matte Black. This is the Tamiya Grand Hauler RC Truck Kit. It's the matte black edition. Get ready to experience the thrill of remote-controlled trucking. The kit features a sleek matte black finish. It's designed for a realistic and stylish look. The details make it stand out. This truck kit offers a high level of detail. It's designed to replicate a real truck. You can enjoy the authentic experience. This is a remote-controlled truck kit. It requires assembly, providing a fun and engaging project. You can customize it to your liking. Build and drive your own Grand Hauler. It's a great way to enjoy the hobby. This model offers hours of fun. What we like. This truck boasts a sleek matte black finish, giving it a unique and stylish look. It's also designed for customization, allowing you to personalize it to your liking. If you like a truck that stands out from the crowd and allows for personalization, then you should consider this one. What people say. The truck has a lot of metal parts and feels very sturdy. The lights and sound effects are very realistic. The turning radius is surprisingly good. Number 3. Toucan RC 114 2-axles RC Tractor Flatbed Trailer. This RC semi-truck trailer is readily available in the US warehouse. It's ready to ship, so you can get started on your project quickly. This product comes as a kit, meaning it requires assembly. It's a great project for DIY enthusiasts who enjoy building and customizing. This 1/14 scale flatbed semi-trailer truck is perfect for DIY modeling. It offers a realistic and customizable build experience, allowing you to create something unique. Designed specifically for 2-axle RC tractors, this trailer provides seamless integration and enhanced functionality. It's built to work perfectly with your existing setup. The trailer features intricate details, including realistic wheels and a robust flatbed. These details enhance its visual appeal and realism, making it a standout piece. Perfect for collectors and hobbyists alike, it adds a stunning piece to any RC vehicle collection or display. It's a great addition to showcase your passion. Crafted from durable materials, it ensures long-lasting performance and resilience during play or display. You can be confident that it will withstand regular use. What we like. This flatbed trailer is perfect for DIY enthusiasts, offering a fun and engaging build experience. It features realistic details and is designed to work seamlessly with two-axle RC tractors. If you enjoy building and customizing your RC models, this trailer will be a great addition to your collection. What people say. I bought to use as a base for a project. Value is definitely there, easy to follow instructions, AMD high quality pictures in the manual. Totally thrilled with the quality of item and the overall ease OS assembly. The trailer is well built and will order more of them. Number 2. Toucan RC 114 semi-trailer for DIY model truck. This is a 1/14 scale, hobby-grade RC tractor truck, not a toy. It's designed to replicate the details of a real truck, offering an authentic experience. The truck functions like a real one, with key components like a multi-speed transmission and differential axle. This design provides a realistic driving experience. Assembling this truck is a great learning experience for anyone interested in the inner workings of vehicles. It's a hands-on project that's both fun and educational. The truck comes with many unassembled parts and requires a significant number of installation steps. This allows you to build it from the ground up. Just like a real car, this RC truck can be upgraded. You can add features like LED lights, sound systems, and smoke effects to enhance its realism. This RC truck is designed to be compatible with 1/14 scale trailers. This allows you to create a complete and functional semi-truck setup. What we like. This RC truck is a hobby-grade model, built with the same working principles as a real truck. It offers a detailed, immersive experience, and allows for upgrades. If you are a truck enthusiast interested in the inner workings of a real automobile, this model will give you a great experience. What people say. Works great with my scale RCs. Instructions good, quality good. Number 1. Tamiya Globe Liner Semi-Truck. Introducing the Tamiya Globe Liner Semi-Truck. This impressive model is a fantastic addition to any collection. It's a detailed replica that's sure to turn heads. The package dimensions are 23 inches long, 7 inches high, and 23 inches wide. It's a substantial package, packed with everything you need to get started. The package weighs in at 2 pounds. This lightweight design makes it easy to handle and transport. This product comes from Japan. Known for its quality and craftsmanship, you can be assured of its high standards. To complete this model, you'll need a battery, charger, speed control, servo, radio system, paint, and assembly. With these, you'll be ready to hit the road. What we like. This semi-truck is a scale model that requires assembly, offering a rewarding build experience. It is also durable and built to last. If you enjoy the process of building and want a detailed, long-lasting model, you should consider this. What people say. The truck has a lot of metal parts and feels very solid. The lights and sound effects are very realistic. The turning radius is surprisingly tight. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.